Okay. Only 3 people. We will still wait. Guys, kindly share the live. Let me see at least 20 people. Then we start the class because only 8 people is not encouraging for. People will still come later and be like, I don't understand this, I don't understand that. So kindly share the live, invite other people so that we can all go together. All right. So how many of you were here yesterday? Out of 10 people, how many of you were here yesterday? How many of you were here yesterday? Sleep. So all these people, no one was here. So yesterday, those people who attended the class, where are they? I think I should end this thing. Oh. Yeah. That one is true. That one is true, bro. So what do I do? What do I do? Because I don't know. Oh, I will, but maybe I will not hold it. I will not like organize this again because those people who attended yesterday's session, none of them is here today. So if I start from today's topic, some of you are going to ask what we did yesterday. So it will be pushing us back. How are we going to go? Okay. We will still do something. Maybe from tomorrow, I'm not going to come online again. Okay, so yesterday we started with market structure, and we spoke about we got to know we have 3 different forms of or types of market structure. All right, and if you are looking at market structure, what should comes into your mind is this: H for highs, L for low, H for higher high, HL for higher low, LL for lower, and LH for lower high. Okay. Yeah, so if you are looking for a market structure, this is what you should be looking out for you to know whether the market is pushing highs and lows. You should be looking out for this. Okay, and this will give you a clue of where the market is heading to. Okay, then it will give you an overview of everything for you to make certain decisions. All right, so yesterday we dealt with this. Today we are talking about ranging markets. And yesterday, let me give you a recap of yesterday. We got to know that we have uptrend, we have downtrend, or we have trending markets, we have ranging markets, and we have choppy markets. And when you pick the trending market, we have it in 2 forms, which is the uptrend and the downtrend. Then we went further to explain or have a look at the uptrend, and we got to know that when the market is in an uptrend, it creates higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so example, if the market is moving like this, okay, first of all, we have a high here, we have a low, we have a higher high, we have a higher low. Why is this a higher low? It is a higher low because if you look at this low here and if you look at this high, you realize that this low is higher than this previous high, or sometimes to be equal, but most of the time you realize that this low here is higher than this low. All right, this low is lower than this, so this one is higher than this low. That's why we have a higher low, a low which is higher than the previous low. All right, we have higher low, then the market will push up for you to get another higher high, come down for you to get a higher low. Okay, goes higher. So in an uptrend, this is how you should be looking out for. And we also got to know how to trade uptrend. Okay, and trading an uptrend, you wait for a higher high to form, and when it comes down to form a higher low, you take your entry for a new high. Okay, that's how you trade higher highs on uptrend. You wait for the market to pull back, so you enter at the end of the pullback. And how are you going to know that the pullback has ended? The market wants to keep flying, and for you to be able to know, you use Fibonacci, you use zones, and you use trend lines. These 3 things, that's what you're going to use to determine whether the structure has ended, the higher low has been formed, and a new high is about to be created. So trend lines, Fibonacci, zones, and the last one is chart pattern, candlestick pattern. That's what's going to tell you, okay, at this point the reversal is likely to happen, so we should target a new high or a new low. Okay, that was yesterday. We learned that. So for a low a downtrend, please, I need training. You can join my Telegram community. You can also take part in today's class. So when it comes to a downtrend goes like this. Okay, a downtrend goes on like this, and first of all, you are going to see a high, a low, a lower high, okay, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, in that order. Okay, you can just send me a message on Telegram. You can get my WhatsApp number on my profile as well. So this is a downtrend, and first of all, for you to see the market is in a downtrend, there has to be a break of structure. Okay, there has to be a break of structure. You will see that the market is having a high, and then it breaks. There will be a break of structure. So initially there will be something like this. Okay, the market pushing high, and then after it gets to a certain level, it will drop, and as it is dropping, there will be a zone here. So this will be a support, whereby under normal circumstance we will be expecting a retracement for a continuation buy, right? But due to the fact that there is a change in direction, it will not do this. Instead, it will break the level to the downside. So once it breaks the level to the downside, you wait for this pullback, and that will give you your high, your lower high. Okay, so this will be your high, this will be your low, this will be your lower high. Then it tells you that a new low is about to be formed. So you will take your first profits at the low, previous low, then you allow the rest to sink. Okay, you allow the rest to sink. And then after a new low has been formed, there has to be another lower high for the market to keep pushing down. How are you going to know that at this level or at this point the lower high is about to be formed, or the lower low has ended? That is why I said you need your Fibonacci, you need your trend lines, and you need your chart patterns together with your zones. Alright, so you have to combine all these. That's why we say for you to enter into a trade, you need confluences. You don't trade blindly. You don't just come into the market, okay, I see a candle pushing, so let me buy. I see a candle pulling down, let me sell. It's not going to work. Alright, you should get at least 3 confluences. When we talk about confluences, we mean certain things you look out for before you go into the market. Okay, there should be a criteria which you look out for. Imagine you are a guy and now you want to get a girlfriend. What kind of a girl are you looking for? Are you looking for a chubby girl? For me myself, I'm not going to tell you my spec. Are you looking for a chubby girl? Are you looking for a Coca-Cola shaped girl? Or are you looking for what? Are you looking at the lady's character? Are you looking at the way she appears? How? The way she speaks? So you yourself, you have your criteria, the things you are looking out to see in a lady before you ask her out. Similarly to the ladies, you have the same criteria or things you look out for in a guy. When a guy approaches you, the first thing, some people will look at the way he is dressing, beards, the way he talks, so many things. All right, so for you to enter into this market, you need similar things. You know my spec. You have to get certain things. Look out for. I have to see this, then at the breakout retest I buy. Somebody is looking out for this. If he doesn't seize this, he will not enter into the market. Okay, Yeah, if he doesn't see this, he is not entering into the market. What are you also looking at? Are you expecting to see this, a pullback and an entry? What are you looking out for? So you should get confluences, okay? Things you look out for before you make an entry in the market. Do you guys understand? Do you understand? The lower high. Okay. We have a high. Okay. Then it goes like this. Okay. So now, this is a low. Okay. The market went here to create a high. Instead of it to create another higher low like this, so when this, remember, as soon as you see this level here is a support. Okay, when we get to support and resistance, you will understand this better. But the moment you see that there is a move from this side, it started from here, meaning here is a support. So when the market reached this high and it was dropping, under normal circumstance, there has to be a rejection here for the market to keep pushing up, right? But in this case, it broke the support zone. Once it breaks the support zone, it means that there has been a change of character or a break of structure. So if you are looking for a buy, in this case, the buy has failed. So you shouldn't be looking for a buy. Instead, you should be looking for a sell. So what you have to do is to wait for the market to pull back. So now, remember, this is low, this is high. Once it broke this low, it becomes a lower low. Okay? Now, the pullback to test the breakout. If it holds and it decides to drop, you have your lower high. Okay? You have your lower high. Then, you target another lower low. Once you see this, it means that there is a possibility for this level to be taken. Okay, so if you are selling, okay, now everybody sell gold at 21.89. Okay, your TP, your first TP at 21.87. TP to 21.84. Then TP3 21.80. Right. What we mean is that, remember, whenever you see this kind of things, you can just go to the charts and check, and you realize that in all the levels where I place the TPs, there are levels. It is a level, either a resistance or a support. It's not just a number. Okay, it's not just a number. That's how it works. So as soon as you see that the market has pulled back to this level, it tells you that the sellers are in the market. So a new high, a new low is expected. So this is your lower high, and here will be another lower low. Bro, is it clear? Is it clear? Guys, talk. Okay, it's clear. All right, so we are done with trending markets. That was yesterday's activity. So today we are tackling ranging markets. Guys, please, when I ask is it clear, let me know. Okay, react to it so that we know that, okay, you guys understand. Then we go to the next step. Okay. All right, so ranging market. What is a ranging market? What is a range bound market? You know that in this market we have support and resistance, we have buyers and sellers, and there is a market condition whereby there are plenty buyers and plenty sellers, equal buyers, equal sellers. Okay, so the buyers will buy the market all the way here, and the sellers are also here waiting. So as soon as the market reaches this level, they also push the market down. The buyers are still waiting. It will still go up. Then the sellers will push the buyers, the sellers, the buyers. Okay? So when you see something like this, we say that the market is consolidating. So those of you who watched my daily outlook yesterday and today, I showed you guys that on daily time frame there was a zone where the market was ranging. I hope you guys remember. Has it been broken or is still not broken? We will find out. Okay? Yeah. So this is what we termed as ranging market. Okay? A market which has equal buyers and equal sellers. Okay? The buyers and sellers are the same. So they buy low, they sell high, they buy low, they sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, until it will reach a point where one will overpower the other. Okay? At a point in time, this will not remain forever. No. A time will come, the buyers will decide, okay, let's load more orders. So instead of the sellers to take over, the buyers will overpower them, and then the trend will change. Okay? Me personally, I like trading ranging markets. Not a shit ranging market though, but a good ranging market. Okay? When I see that the range is about 100 pips, 100 pips range, I enjoy trading that. Because in a day, I can buy, sell like 3 or 4 times before the day comes to an end. So I like trading range bounds. But some people too don't know how to trade ranging markets. So they end up in a deep shit always. If you are such a person, when you see the market is ranging, stay away. Clear? And also, if you are a swing trader, stay away from ranging markets. Okay? If you are a swing trader, stay away from ranging markets. Why? Because you, as a swinger, you are targeting swing highs and swing lows. You are not targeting equal highs and equal lows. Okay? So if you are a swing trader, avoid range markets. Okay? Yeah. So let's get critical example. When you go to the charts, you will realize that at a certain point in time, there was a resistance right here. There was a support. But initially, the market was pushing highs. Okay? So when it got to this level, it broke. Yeah. So the market was pushing highs. Okay? It was pushing up like this. And it got to the resistance initially. Remember, as it is pushing up, bro, I'll answer your question. Okay? When it is pushing up like this level becomes resistance. Okay? Because remember, the move started from here. So this is a resistance. Right? As soon as it breaks the resistance, it now becomes a support. Right? So once it is support, from there, it pushed up. Meaning, the buyers are stronger. They have high momentum. So they broke the support and pushed the market. Now it became resistance. So once it becomes resistance, you wait for the pullback for it to confirm, that this resistance is no longer resistance but rather a support. When the market comes back for the retest, you take your entry buy, and when it reaches the next resistance level, the sellers took over. and they sold back to the breakout level. So this will be a first touch. Okay, when the market breaks it, it comes back here. That's the first touch here. When it comes back here, second touch, it is valid. The buyers will still push the market again. Then we are going to get equal highs right here. Okay, so the sellers will also take over, push the market down. As the market comes back here, this is going to be a third touch on the zone. Take note. And third touch, I don't joke with third touches. So when the market touches it, this is the first touch. It broke, it retested. That was the first touch. It came here, resistance fresh. It's valid. It's sold, it's bought again. It has come back for the third touch. So for the third touch, it still have potentials to buy. So the buyers will still push the market to the resistance zone again. Okay? Alright, so when it gets here, now this is also first touch, second touch. We have a third touch here. What do you think will happen? That one too will sell down. So when it comes here, now this one has had 1, 2, 3. So this is the fourth touch. And fourth touch, it is a 50-50 chance. Now, this market can be broken. It can break down again and sell, or it can still respect and fly. Okay, so this is how range markets react, or range markets plays out. Okay, when it comes back, when it respects this level and it decides to push up again, in this case, this one is coming to also experience a fourth touch. And fourth touch, like I said here, is a 50-50 chance. So there is a potential for the market to respect the resistance zone, to respect the market, or it will break. But if you look here, you can see that, remember, the market started from here, okay, and it broke the support, the resistance for it to become support, and now it has held the market 4 times. So it has potentials to break the resistance. Okay, as it is pushing to the resistance zone for the 4th time, it has potentials to break. So at the end of the day, you will see that there will be a breakout, another retest. Once it retests here, you can say that the range is over. Okay, as soon as it breaks this zone right here, the range bound is over. Now the market wants to trend again. Okay, I hope you guys understand. All right, so ranging market is actually simple, but if you don't know how to trade it, you will always be in a deep shit. Okay, so since you understand this, we are going to the chart and look for examples. If you have any question before we go to the chart, you can ask. Any question? Are those zones drawn at the wick or candles? Okay, so the zones are drawn on the body. I don't draw zones on wicks. I draw zones on the body. Okay, I draw zones on the body, not the wicks. But if you, according to your strategy, and your zones respect wicks, then you use wicks. I prefer the body. Explain liquidity. We are not doing liquidity, bro. Just trust the process and follow. Okay? Alright, so let's check the charts now. Wow. Okay, so now this was what I was talking about. Let's look at this. Okay, right. Can you see daily time frame? Okay, so guys, look at this level. You can see that there was a strong push to this level upside here, but it still came to close below here, right? And look here, you can see that for a couple of days the market has been respecting this level right here. Okay, so it's come back here, it goes here, it comes, it goes, comes, goes. So the market has been trading in between here for how many days? This was the breakout candle which broke the resistance, right, for it to become a support, this candle. Okay, after that you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 solid days the market has been ranging inside these zones. So if I'm using okay, so now you see how the zone is nicely. So it has been trading in between here until a solid candle, not the wick. Remember, not the wick. The body. A body has to break closes above this level or below here. If a candle closes below this level, the market will keep selling. If it closes above this level, the market will keep buying. All right, so this is a ranging market now, but you see that this range is not just some small range. That's what I was talking about. It is really sweet. Okay, really sweet zone, because you can sell by this one. This candle alone is about 200 and something pips. This morning the buy we took flew all the way about 250 pips or so, right? 325 pips. The buy, this candle alone is 325 pips. So you can enjoy sweetly, like you can enjoy massively in this range alone. Okay, let's change it to H4. Okay, so when you look at H4, you will see something different, right? You will see something different. H4, there was a breakout. There was a breakout in H4 here. And look at what I was talking about. Good. This is what I was talking about. You see that, look at it, H4 broke the zone. Nice breakout. So under normal circumstance, you should be expecting a retest for a continuation buy. But what happened? it still broke and came inside the zone. Why? And the reason is simple, because daily time frame never broke. Okay, daily time frame never broke. That's why H4 breakout failed. Okay, so for a breakout to be confirmed, we will deal with breakouts. When you reach there, you will understand. But for now, we are only focusing on the zones. Okay, so you see that it was trading inside the zone for a long time until this breakout, but it still managed to come inside here. This will tell you this whole thing was a fake out. Okay, a breakout becomes a fake out when it doesn't respect a retest. Okay, a breakout becomes a fake out when it fails to respect a zone, the breakout zone, because under normal circumstance it has broken with strong candles, so a pullback here for another continuation push. But what happened? It still find its way back inside the zone, which tells you all this shit was just a fake out. I hope you get it. Please, what is the best time frame for the analysis? It depends on the kind of a trader you are, bro. It depends on the kind of a trader you are. If you are a day trader, you start your analysis from daily time frame. That's why always, if you have been watching my videos, always I start the analysis from daily time frame. Okay, I start from daily time frame and not H4. If you are a scalper, you can even start your analysis from H4. Okay, you can start your analysis from H4. Guys, please, if anyone has recorded since day one, please let me have. Jeez, sharing is scary. I have not shared recording with anybody, bro. I have not even downloaded it from TikTok yet. It has all been recorded, but I have not posted any of them. What's your view on gold, bro? Let's finish learning, then you ask about gold. Okay. So guys, I hope the ranging market is clear for you. And now I have also explained about fake outs. So when you see a fake out, you should be able to know this is a fake out. Okay, based on the explanation I gave, you should be able to know this is a fake out. What is a scalper? Oh, this means you are a complete beginner, right? You are a complete beginner. I'm coming. Okay, let's look at something here. Can you see what happened right here? Good. Now I'm deleting the dark line so that you guys can see it clearly. So when you look at this level, you can see that, like I explained right here, initially the market was pushing up, right? The market was pushing up, and when it got to this point, it broke the resistance. Okay, with this particular candle, this candle broke the resistance, and there was a bearish candle which tested the breakout, right? And after that, there was a push which tested, respected this resistance. Now this has become support since it has broken already. The market came back to the support it respected. Look at the wick, but it still respected, closing on the zone. Okay, it went all the way up, and then you can't see the candle colors. Oh really? The colors doesn't even matter. The colors doesn't really matter. What you need to know, but still, let me expand it. I think this is clear. Yeah, this is good. This is good, right? Yeah. So when it came back, it respected the zone. It pushed all the way again. It respected and then found its way back here. It's still respected. So remember, when it broke this one. It came to test. That was the first touch. It came back again. That was the second touch. The scenario I gave you on the board. It came back for the third time. That was the third touch. And this was the fourth touch. Do you remember what I did here? Good. And now let's look at the top. So when it moved from here, it came. This was the first touch. It came back again for the second touch. It came back for the third touch. It came back for the fourth touch. What happened? Boom. It broke it. Just like I explained here. If you guys remember. Right? That was it. You see? It came from here. Okay? It came from right here. And then it broke. It retested and flew. That was the first touch here. The first touch here as well. It came back. Second touch. It boom. Second touch. It came. Third touch. It flew again. It came back for the fourth touch. It still flew. When it gets here, remember, it has potentials to break this. I cleaned it. That right? Yeah. So that was exactly what I just showed you on the chat. Any question? If you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. You can join. Okay. Yeah. So when it comes back here, it went all the way up, and now this zone became weak. So it broke to the upside. So now the range was over. Okay, the range was over, and then you see a strong push to the upside. Any question? Any question? So if you look into the market, you will see that there are several examples. You will get multiple examples. Yesterday, I told you guys that after the lessons like this, what you have to do is to go back, go to your charts and practice. Look for more examples. Okay? That is what is going to help you. Oh, today nobody is here. Nobody is here. So if I don't monitor this thing clearly, TikTok will end the live without me being aware. When the zone break, which zone, bro? Which place is good to trade? To take trade? Okay. So let's look at this. This one is complex. Okay? This is complex. But let's try and find meanings to it. I hope you guys can see it a little clearer. Meaning, in ranging markets, the fourth touch is likely to break to the upside or downside. Exactly. When the market is ranging, first touch is valid, second touch is valid, third touch is valid, but fourth touch is 50-50. Feed, cease, and the rest after third touch, the rest can break at any time. So me personally, when I am trading a range bound, I take the first break and retest for the first touch. It comes back for the second touch, I take it. It comes for the third, I take. When it comes back for the fourth time, I will not take it. Okay? Until I have seen a strong rejection, then I will consider taking it. If not, I will not take it. Okay? Because it has potentials to break after a fourth touch. I hope you guys understand. I'm in Kumasi, bro. How would you know direction after breaking the fourth touch? Guys, if you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. Okay. Which place is good? BTC bro, can you come again, because I'm not really understanding your question. If you can come again, that would be good. So let me know what you're trying to say. But until then, let's try and look at this part. Okay. Now, if you look at this, you can see that the market started from here and was coming up. It broke this level. If you go back in time, you realize that there is a level right there. Okay, so it broke it. It came for a retest. That was the first touch. Okay, and then it flew. It came back again for the second time. It flew. As it was flying, remember this, when the market got here, it rejected. So over this area here has also become a resistance. Don't forget this. When the market was coming, this was initially resistance. It broke. It got here, it got reversed to test here. This level has become first resistance. Okay, so the market came back, it went here, respected that resistance, it dropped again, giving you a second touch, and it flew. When it reached this level, it broke that resistance. Okay, so another resistance has been broken, now has become a support. It came back retesting this support and it flew. Or when it is flying, you realize that this level 2, when it broke this one, it went here, it reversed to test the breakout. Here, another resistance. Guys, are you following? I don't use indicators, bro. I don't use indicators. Are you guys following? This one is a little, it's complex, but you try your best, you will understand. Okay? Good. So let me explain again. The market started pushing from here. It was an uptrend. It was moving. It came here. There was a resistance. It broke the resistance. So it became support. Right? After it became support, this level here is now the resistance. Okay? This is now the resistance which is expected to be broken. Yes. But after the first touch, it pushed, it respected here and dropped again, giving you a double bottom. And this is the second touch. Okay? So the second touch, it flew, breaking the first resistance. Okay, so under normal circumstances, this is also a nice chart pattern. This is a W pattern, whereby this is the neckline. Okay, so it broke the neckline and then it flew. I'll answer that, bro. Yeah, so when it flew, it went to this another resistance level and it dropped. As it was dropping, don't forget that there is a support here which was previous resistance. So it respected the support and flew again, giving a double top second touch on the resistance. So it drove again, giving you a second touch here. Remember, this is the first touch. Now it has come back again to give you a second touch. It flew again, touching this for the third time. Okay, this zone for the third time, and it dropped, giving you here a third touch. It flew. On the fourth touch, it broke. But look at what happened. After breaking the zone under normal circumstance, you should be expecting to buy from here, right? Because the range is over and it is now ready to buy. But look at what happened. It closed, it dropped, closing below the zone. So what is this? Guys, what is this? What is this? Guys, what is this? I want to know. Here, this one. Fake out. Good. So since it couldn't hold and it dropped inside the zone, that is a fake out. Okay? Yeah. So a lot of people will hit stop loss because of this. A lot of people will hit stop loss. It is normal. We don't know, bro. Okay, then it is a fake out. It was supposed to respect and fly, but it still came inside the range, meaning the breakout was a fake out. Okay, guys, double tap your screens more and share the live. If you haven't joined the Telegram community, you can join as well. All right. Yeah, so it broke and came all the way. And look at this. It's also broke here. It also broke this. So people will be expecting, okay, since it has broken this one, let me look forward and sell. Right? But look at what happened. It still went again. So that's why I was saying this is a complex range. Okay? This is a complex range. And this is also another type of market structure, choppy market. It breaks support, break resistance, not respecting the market. That is choppy market. So with such markets, we stay away from it. So we are done with choppy markets, range markets at the same time. Okay? Yeah. So guys, that is how it is. Now look at this. Remember this particular zone. You see the market came back to that same zone 1, 2, 3rd time. What happened? It respected. It respected. 3rd touch. It came again for the 4th touch. It respected. What happened to the top side? It broke the top, retested, and flew to the moon. Okay? So after breakout, what confirmation should we expect? After breakout and it pulls back, you should be expecting to see candlestick confirmation, a bullish or reversal pattern. Okay? When the retest is happening, don't just jump into the market because you've seen a breakout. So a retest, gold buy, gold buy, gold buy, gold buy. It will mess your life. Okay? So make sure you have seen that indeed this level is likely to respect. I have seen a reversal pattern. Then you shoot. If not, let it go. I hope it makes sense. I hope it makes sense, guys. Thanks for the gift. Guys, does it make sense? Do you understand? If you haven't joined the Telegram, remember the link is in the bio. You can join, okay? Alright, so since you understand, now we are done with market structure. Okay? We are done with market structure. So from tomorrow, we are going to start with support and resistance. So candlesticks like bullish engulfing, yes. So when you see that the zone has been broken, you are expecting to see a bullish engulfing, a tweezer bottom, a morning star, a bullish pin bar, or a doji candle, which is the dragonfly. Okay, so these are the patterns you should be expecting to see. Then when you see them, you shoot. Okay, what time are we meeting? Who is meeting? The class always starts at 6 p.m. Okay, 6 p.m. What time tomorrow? 6 p.m. Ghana time. Alright, so guys, that is how it is. So what you have to do is to go sit down. Okay, sometimes when you join the live like this, take note if you must. Take note if you must. Don't just listen, because you will forget certain things. But if you have taken note, you will surely remember. Let me show you when I started. Yeah, so this was my book when I was which I was using to take notes. Okay, you see, I had some shit drawings. I couldn't even draw well and all that. I took notes. Okay, in the class I joined, I took notes. notes, plenty everything. Okay, this is a fundamental analysis when I was learning fundamentals. So when you joined, don't just listen, because you will surely forget. Okay, you will surely forget. So it is important you take note so that you can make references to them. Okay, so don't forget about that. Always try your best to come with all right, so since when do you start trading? I trade in the morning, sometimes New York, sometimes London session. I don't trade Asian session, so sometimes New York. Most of the time it's New York. Okay, but sometimes too I trade London session as well. Yeah, so let's try and see if we can get more examples. Okay, let's try and see if we can get more examples. Guys, I hope you are getting something. I hope you guys are getting something. Okay. Look here. You see that? I've learned a lot. That's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah. So you can see that at that. Let me try and see if I can expand. Okay. So the ones I showed you, the market was coming from the upside. Now from the downside. This time around, it is coming from the top, right? So as it was coming from the top, there was expectation that this is a support which will hold the market, but it broke the support. Okay, this candle broke the support, came for a retest and sold, and then this level 2, now resistance, this support, it respected the support, it pushed again, respected, pushed again, respected, pushed again, respected, pushed again. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4th touch. It flew, breaking the resistance. Okay, but watch something. You see that after breaking this resistance, there was no pullback. So if you were waiting for a pullback, you couldn't get it. In this case, you missed this trade. It is okay, let it go. Okay, but if you had caught the trade from here, then you would likely to hold. That is the power of range bound. So if you get a first touch, second, third, and it comes for the 4th touch and it still respected it still respects the level, it means that there is a potential. Okay, there is a potential to break the resistance. After a 4th touch here and the market respects to fly, there is a potential to break the resistance. So if you take the buy, you can just take some partial profits here, set break even for the rest, okay, and hold. If it doesn't break and it comes back to hit your break even, that is okay, you don't lose anything. But if you are waiting to sell, buy again, it might not happen, because in this particular trade, you see there was no pullback. So if you were waiting for a pullback before you make your entry, you missed that particular entry. Are you profitable? If you are in my community, you will see, bro, what do you mean by London session and Asian session? Oh, this guy is a beginner, complete beginner. I believe he was asking for how long we have been trading. Who was asking that question? What time frame does ranging market respect the most in your view? respect, as in, because all the time frames it's respect. So what you need to do is to just observe. If you see after breaking a level, you are expecting a retest, right? You expect a retest, you sell. And remember, if you are in a position, if you guys remember, I did a video where I told you guys, if you entered a position using H4 time frame, you entered at H4 resistance, you are exiting at H4 support. If you entered at H4 support, you are exiting at H4 resistance. So for you to ask which time frame the market breaks or respects the range, all time frames, as long as you see it is ranging, you take your entry on the zone, first zone, you exit on the next zone. If you want to hold, you just set break even. Or when you see a reversal pattern on the next zone, it tells you that the market is coming back to your entry, so you can close your position. Okay, so you entered on H4 resistance, you are exiting H4 support. You entered H4 support, you are exiting H4 resistance, and vice versa. Please check USDJPY. What classes do you join? I'm doing the free classes for you all, bro, and this is going to last for end of April. End of April, then these classes will end. Okay, end of April. If you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. You can join. All right. Please teach us the best way to switch time frames for entries. That is top-down analysis. We are going to talk about that maybe within this week. Okay, we will talk about top-down analysis. Hello big guys, can we get a favor from you apart from money? Because money is not everything. Are beginners not supposed to be here? Oh, you can, but the question he asked, I didn't know how to answer. What question was that? I've even forgotten. Can you come again? Maybe I'll try and answer you. Okay, if I skipped your question, kindly repeat your question. Okay, I will answer. How long have you been trading? I've been trading for about, I think this is my 19th month. In which time frame you can see the market's direction or reversal? All time frames. It depends on the kind of a trader you are. Like I said earlier, all time frames. Okay. Check GBPJP. I'm not doing analysis, bro. General Frank asked a question. Well, oh really? Can you repeat your question, bro? General Frank, repeat your question. Where exactly will you be looking for a resistance and support? I mean, will it be previous? Okay, now let's look at this chart. I think I need to address this one. Guys, please, if I skipped your question, kindly ask again. Okay, if I have not addressed your question yet, ask again. All right, so if you are looking at this chart, for example, you see that the market was dropping, right? So if it is dropping from here, where are you going to look for the next zone? You look back into the history. Okay, so you are looking into the history. Where do we have support? Where do we have resistance? That's why we said that gold is trading all-time high now, so you cannot predict the market. Do you remember? And the reason was that at that level there was no support anywhere. Let's go back to gold. There was no support anywhere, no resistance, so you can't use it as we can't use it as reference to predict whether the market is likely to sell or buy, because there is no resistance, there is no history. Okay, there is no history. Are you in Ghana? I'm in Kumasi. So that's how you actually check whether support or resistance, because if you look at gold, this is the all-time high gold has flew to since trading started. Okay, 2222 is the all-time high. So when the market reached here, you cannot predict, because there is nothing here for you to use to predict that at this level is going to sell. So in this scenario, you use what we call psychological levels. Okay, you use psychological levels to determine whether the market is going to go sell down or not, if it's going to respect. So if the market hits a psychological level and it wants to respect, you will get a candle confirmation. So a market which has all-time high, those of you who remember this, I told you when the market was pulling that when it reaches 1980, 2180, 2190, 2200, if you guys remember, I said it in one of the analysis I made. Okay, one of the analysis I made. Those are psychological levels, and when the market reaches those levels, they respect the market. Okay, yeah, I think I remember the question. He said, means, okay, so London sessions and New York sessions, they are sessions where transactions are being made. Okay, London sessions opens when that market opens when Europe and UK, the banks have opened to operate on daily basis. Okay, and you see that Europe and UK, the UK time around this time is like 8 o'clock. So during 7 o'clock UK time, New York's London session opens. That means that the banks over there has started operating, so transactions can start flowing. Okay, that's the session. And for New York session, at that same time, New York, when New York or US banks are operating, we say we have entered the New York session, transactions flow. Okay, I think I have a bit answered your question. How can I execute a good trading plan? First of all, you should be able to know how to draw a good trading plan before you can execute. If you don't know how to draw the plan, you cannot execute. Okay, so that's what you need first. I have a problem with the right moment to enter, sell or buy. Okay, for you to know when to enter a sell or buy, first of all, you need to know the structure. After knowing the structure, you mark your zones. After mark your zones, you wait for price to come to your zone, and when the price comes to your zone, that is where you are waiting to see a candlestick confirmation. When you get the candlestick confirmation, that is where you are buying or you are selling. And I'm sure you know about candlesticks already. So if you know about candlesticks already, that is where you are going to buy or sell. Okay, if you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. You didn't explain the scalper. Oh really? Scalpers are traders who actually jump into the market, take few pips and get out. Okay, they don't hold trades for long. So let's say he will enter a sell from here and exit here. He doesn't have time to wait for all this move to happen. No, he doesn't have that time. So once he entered here, he will exit somewhere here. Okay, those are scalpers. They take small movement. So they enter big lot size, target small 10-20 pips, they go out and they are done. Okay, those are scalpers. Because I had blown my account two times. Okay, I think I have addressed that. And if you are a day trader, I don't know what to say. I don't remember the question. What I was saying. You have answered. Okay. The resistance and support, will it be always previous ones? Like how? It's going to, you look into here. So when the market came back here, you are looking here. Okay. Now the market is here. So you look at here. Are there any support level to hold the market? If no, you are leaving it. Okay, so you are waiting for the support due to the previous charts. Okay, you are using the history to know what is happening in the present or what is likely to happen. Okay, bro, just 1 year, 7 months in trading, and you know all this. Yes, and the reason is that I started as a full-time right from day one till now. I started 25th July 2022, and since then till now, I haven't done any other thing apart from learning and trading. You are smart. I like your analysis. Thanks, bro. Please, do you have a Telegram? Yes, I told you the link is in the bio. Go there. PiP Hunter community. That's my Telegram community. You can join. I post signals, learn everything. Do you want to learn or you already good? Hunter, please can you send a chat on the signal you gave in your channel? Then we know how to do it. Oh, okay, I'll do that. But I think in the morning I did, right? This morning I posted. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But I will try as much as possible and do it, okay? You only use the zones, not trend lines. And why, if I may ask? I use trend lines. I use trend lines, I use chart patterns, I use everything. But it's not all the time. Sometimes I use my eyes to see them. So I don't draw, okay? You only use, oh, I've read that. I think the market is still ranging. Which market? You mean, yes, it's still ranging because you see, it has still closed inside the range. So it's still ranging. How to know, get the best entries? I think I've answered that already, right? Nigeria. Okay, I'm a Ghanaian, bro. How do I draw? How do you draw what, bro? How do I draw a good trading plan? Okay, that will be another topic for another day. I explained it to her, but she thinks I'm wrong. Okay. I see, but when we zoom, it becomes downtrend. Which one? I entered gold for a buy after the big push in the morning, and it's been so ever since. I don't understand. How do you know short order block setup? He has answered you, Frank. Yeah, I have. When we go lower time frames, okay. You guys are answering people like that's good, that's good. To even make it easier. What class have you entered? Was he asking somebody or me? What books do you learn? Do you learn from YouTube? I have learned from 5 different mentors in the period of 18 months. Okay, 5 different mentors. Jeffrey Benson, Abdullah Rashid, Lesiba Mutubi, and some other 2 guys. Please explain how to identify order block. That's another topic, bro. You think it's valid too? I will hold. Thank you. Please, I want to learn. Go to Telegram and you can message me. Why don't him join the group instead so that he can see it every time? Okay, thanks for explanation. I know why gold acted like that today. It broke during the 4th touch. Exactly. It's not moving upward. Okay, now I think that's all. Okay, in a way to confirm that my sure. Bro, we are going to handle order blocks, okay? I will surely teach you guys order blocks. But for now, just follow the process, okay? I always say, if you want to go far in this industry, it's a process. You can't skip one step. If you skip one step, you will still come back and continue on from where you skipped, okay? So take it one step at a time. So like I said, tomorrow, we are done with market structure. I assume everybody understands. So from tomorrow we are starting with support and resistance. After support and resistance, we are going to handle top-down analysis. Okay, after top-down analysis, then probably supply and demand. After supply and demand, then we will handle other blocks, and then the rest will follow. Okay, so make sure you don't miss any class, and everything is supposed to end of April. So remember, end of April, I'm not going to have classes with you guys like I'm doing now again, and I'm not going to even handle paid students. I'm not going to. I would, from then I will take time for myself for like 6 months, trading for myself in silence, no signals, no nothing, just myself. When I buy the car, then I'll come back and we continue. Okay, Fairbaluga, what time? Tomorrow 6 p.m. Ghana time. Okay, 6 p.m. Ghana time. So guys, if you haven't joined the Telegram community, you can join now, since the class is nearly over. Now I can watch from here. Okay, no signals. I'll think about it. Okay, I'll think about it if I should be giving signals after this session. Okay, after this session, maybe there will not be any signals for you people, but maybe there will be. But I'm not going to teach. That one is assured. That after after April, when this session ends, will you save this live? It has been saved already. Post Telegram link. The link is in the bio, bro. The link is in the bio. Oh, you see? The phone is off. The phone is off. So you just go here, okay? You just go here, and then you click on here. Then you see the link is right here. Just click on this link. The phone is off. The phone is off. The phone is off. Telegram, you go to the bio, you get Telegram account. Okay, I have my Telegram link is there. You can join. Hey, media, if I send me Ominia. Yeah, so guys, what again? If you have any question, you can ask. Okay, you can ask if you have any other question. And I am also doing something. If you are in Telegram, you have seen it already. And what I'm doing is, now I trade with prop firms, which allows HFT. Okay, which allows HFT to pass, and those are the prop firms I'm trading these days. And after going through how they do their things, I came to a conclusion that if you make more profit on the account, they don't pay. And I'm sure any of you who is trading prop firms, those people, I find Instagram on the link. Yeah, Instagram is there. Look for the PiP Hunter community. Click on the PiP Hunter community. That is the Telegram. Okay, the PiP Hunter community is the Telegram link on my. When you click on the bio, the link in the bio, follow the PiP Hunter community. That's the Telegram community. All right. You guys know, if you trade with HFT prop firms, you realize that if you make more profits, they don't pay. So I have been I've been trading just 1% a week for 1 month now, and that is what I'm doing these days. Okay, so I'm setting up a group where I'm going to trade 1% with each of you. We are going to trade it together. Everybody, you just make 1% a week. Okay, I'll answer you. I'll check WhatsApp. All right. Bro, I have been refused payout twice. Yes, if you make too much profit, they will not pay. Oh yeah, if you want to reach out to me, you can. After the live, you can reach out to me. Okay, they will not pay. If you try to make too much profit, believe me, they will not pay. They will give you excuses. So I came with a plan. I will trade just 1% a week. Okay, and I have been getting payout. So within the 3 weeks period, I have 3%. So with 100K, that is $3,000. Okay, and then I take my 50% or 70% or 80%. Let me put this here so I can sit for you guys to see me. But if you are commenting, I will not see you. Or let's say, let me do it this way rather. Maybe okay. So 3% is going to be $3,000. So I will get at least $1,500. What if I have about 5 different accounts, 100K, I have 5, and I'm getting 1,500 each? Okay, that is where the money is coming from. So I call it agenda 1% a week from April 1st to December 31st. We are trading just 1% a week. You know, everyone who is interested in joining that. Okay, and this is how it goes. Every month after taking your payout, you buy another account with part of the profit. Okay, so if your account is 100K and you make 1,500 profits, you are using 600, you make 1,500, so you are using $600 to buy another 100K. Your profit is 900. The following month you are going to use it means you are having 200K now, so you are getting 1,500 each, which is 3,000. You are using another 600 to buy another 100K. So you are stacking account, you are getting multiple payout, you are increasing your money. Okay, so that is how I'm going to do it with people, and I want to take only 10 people. Now 2 people have already registered. Now we are starting next week. Okay, and this is what you are going to get. You are going to get a trade copier. Okay, somebody is asking, how am I going to trade all those accounts? So I will give you a trade copier which will copy all your trades for you. Just place a trade on one account and it will be placed on the rest of the accounts. Even if you are having 100 accounts, just placed on one, it will be automatically placed on all your accounts for you. I will also give you a trade panel. Those of you who knows about trade panel, that is a trade manager, okay, which helps you to know your risk, your reward, how to close partial and all those stuff. Okay, yeah, so I'll give you a trade panel as well. I'll give you a trade copier, and the last one, you are going to also benefit from signals. I will give you a signal when to trade, when to enter, when to exit. And then last but not the least, you are not going to pay for any challenge I'll pass for you. Okay, when I'm using the boat to pass the challenge for you, from now till December, you are not paying anything. So if from now to December you have 10 accounts, you are not paying anything for it. Okay, everything I'll pass it for you. You have your live account, you trade, you make your money. Okay, so if you are interested, it costs for just $100. If you are interested, you go to Telegram, you get more information about it, and we are starting next week. Okay, so if you are interested, you can just join. Remember, you are going to buy one account every single month, and you are not going to use your money. You are using the profits you are making from the previous account. Okay, so you are good to go. Okay, maybe the person flashed. Yeah, so guys, I think that is enough for today. I'll see you all tomorrow, the same time. Any info about the challenge you are hosting? I hope I just spoke about it, bro. Which one are you talking about? Is it not the one I just spoke about? I even posted the details on Telegram today. And I want to it's still about 10 people. I don't want plenty people so that the group will be too noisy and all that. Only 10. Okay? Only 10, so that it's going to be easier. And we'll be trading live as well. So live trading is a lot of things. No, the one you'll be giving for us to win, that will be after the class, so relax. I will talk about that. Okay, I will talk about that. So guys, if you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. You can join now before I exit live. Maybe we should just join the Telegram. Yes, join the Telegram community. The link is in the bio. PiP Hunter community. Then if you want to ask any question, you go ahead and ask. Okay, so that is the end for today's activity. So tomorrow we are starting support and resistance. Okay, support and resistance. Remember, after the live like this, go back and learn more. Okay, go back and learn more, practice. Now you know how to find range markets. If you see range markets, how are you going to trade? Go and back test more. The PiP must pay. Exactly, bro. Go and back test. A lot of people are traders, yet they have zero experience in back testing. Zero. Because they don't want to pay for TradingView to give them access to back testing. They have been using the normal testing, forward testing, that daily activities, but that one is not going to get you anywhere. You need to bro, don't ask such questions, it's funny. Okay, you need to back test so that you know how often your strategy works in the market. It helps a lot. Okay, so guys, thank you all for coming. Any other question before I exit live? Let me go rest so that tomorrow. And today I have oh, the phone is off. I would have showed you. I have only I need $91 tomorrow, and then I will hit my weekly target. So tomorrow when I come to the markets, I only need 90 or 81 or something. I think $81 on the 100k, and I will hit my 1%, and I'll close for the day, for the week. Okay, so that is how stress-free it is. The classes start at 6 p.m. Ghana time, 6 p.m. So 6 p.m. tomorrow, I'll be on live. 6 p.m. on Thursday, I'll be on live. 6 p.m. on Friday, I'll be on live. Okay. So thank you guys. Any other question before I exit? Any other question? Oh, someone is saying he's not finding a Telegram channel. Go to click on the profile. Okay, you will see the link tree. Click on the link tree and you will see Kortana, BD Swiss, Instagram, YouTube, PiP Hunter community. The PiP Hunter community is the Telegram. Okay, the PiP Hunter community you see in the link tree is the Telegram. So find out. Try it before I exit. Okay, try it before I exit. Most of them find the link tree. Yeah, you open the link tree because I have multiple links in there. That's why I use link tree. So you open the link tree, you scroll down a little, you will see the PiP Hunter community there. That is the Telegram. So if you haven't joined yet, go and join now before I exit. Okay, use the link tree, open the link tree, and you are going to see PiP Hunter community. You can also follow me on Instagram, YouTube, all the channels. Okay, all the platforms, you can follow me right there. So any question before I exit? Any question before I exit? Or if you want to say anything, you can just go ahead and say. Let me charge this phone. I forgot. Guys, any question? Thank you. You're welcome, bro. You're welcome. You're welcome. Do you have Facebook page? Please send the Facebook page name. The Facebook page is I think PiP Hunter Academy. I don't remember. Message me on Telegram. I'll give it to you. Okay. My location is in Nigeria. Big guy for Bonnie. Big name. Okay, I'm a Ghanaian, bro. Eugene, I'm a Ghanaian. Top down analysis on GBP USD. Okay, so those of you who are still here, let's try and see if we can look into the markets more. Okay, somebody was asking what is happening to gold. Now you can see that gold has still closed. It's still closed inside the zone, right? Your Telegram does not require someone to send exactly, so you can message me. Because it was too noisy. It was too noisy. Oh, please, Mimi, just Open the link tree and scroll down. You are going to see PiP Hunter community. I don't know how to change it to Telegram link. PiP Hunter community, that is the Telegram community, okay? That's the Telegram channel. So you click on the PiP Hunter community in the link tree and join Telegram. Yeah, if you want to message me on Telegram, you message me directly. You can't comment or write anything in the group because it was too noisy. Initially, it was open for everybody to chat, but the noise was too much. You will come and you realize too many messages, unnecessary ones. So I was advised to close because a lot of people were leaving simply because they come and see so much noise. So I had to lock it. You get it now. Any Ghanaian female trader here? I have two of them, but they are not alive here. So maybe you can connect me and I'll link them to you if you want to meet them. Okay. Go to the column of members and select the owner. You can even just tap on this thing. You see I am the one sending the messages in there, so you can just get in touch. Okay. I'm from Ghana. I'm also in Kumasi. Anyone living in Germany who is trading here? You guys want to make friends here. Okay, so let's look at what is happening to gold. It's good to connect with traders around you. It's important. So you guys can link up. Okay, Eugene, I've seen you. I've seen your message on Telegram. I'll reply after the live. So if you look at gold now, you can. Oh, I was trying to use my hand to teach you here. You see that gold created a support right here, right? Look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all respected that particular level. So there is a support which has now respected. So until gold closes above 21.69, the market cannot sell back to 29.55, 21.54 or 55. Okay, so this level has to be broken. And looking at this particular candle, it has potentials to come back here to 21.69. If it breaks that level, then we should be expecting gold here. Okay, this is a tweezer bottom formation respecting this, so you can connect a trend line here, waiting for a third tag somewhere in the future. Okay, so potentially gold can still drop, but we have how many minutes? Okay, we have 59 minutes for this candle to close. Okay, if you close this bearish, potentially the market can come. But remember, when it reaches here, yeah, it has to break this line. A candle must close below this line for gold to come here. If it fails to close, it will still reverses and goes back up. Okay, that's how I see gold. Camera, what has it done, bro? Please arrange your camera to fit the screen. Oh, okay. Sorry. I thought you guys have seen it though. Please, I need a good trading plan. Euro USD. Okay, so let me do it again. Now what I was talking about is that you see, look at here. You can see that the market has respected this level twice, 1 and 2. And look at here, bullish engulfing, right? And after the bullish engulfing, it spiked to the upside. So when the market comes back here, it will still react. If it doesn't break that level, it cannot sell back to the zone. So it has to break this first before it can reach here. If it gets here and because of the bullish engulfing, it reverses, then gold will come back to the 2180 zones. Okay, so watch out. How daily candle will close will also give us a clue of what is likely to happen. All right, I hope now it's clear. Please, who can teach me on WhatsApp to be a profitable trader? I don't know. I use Telegram. You can join the Telegram community. If you haven't joined, go to my profile or my bio, click on the link tree, scroll down and click on PiP Hunter community. That is my Telegram. Okay, this your chat is forex.com. Yeah, this is forex.com. Yeah, it's clear now. You're welcome, bro. Okay, yeah, so someone was asking Euro USD. So this is what I see about gold. Okay, can you get the previous videos for me, please? I'll get you a time. Okay, I'll try and download. Okay, I'll try and, oh really, Wanda is different. Let's look at Wanda. Oh, okay, so this is Wanda. According to Wanda, you can see that that level has been broken. Here has been broken, and now we have a bearish engulfing. Wanda H4 bearish engulfing, but the same level I was talking about is here, 2171. Okay, so if the market fails to break this level, it cannot sell down. It has to break that level before it can sell back to this zone. Okay, so that's what I was talking about. So which one is best? I like using forex.com because it goes with MT4 and MT5. Okay, that's why I like using it. It goes with MT4 and MT5. That's why I like using forex.com. I used to use Wanda, but when I realized that forex.com goes just with what do you call it, MT4 and MT5, I decided to use that one. Okay, how do I join your Telegram? Just click on the bio. Okay, click on the bio, and then you click on the link tree. You see the link tree. Click on the link tree, scroll down, you will see PiP Hunter community. That is the Telegram channel, PiP Hunter community. You can follow me on Instagram, YouTube, all of them, and the PiP Hunter community is the Telegram. So are you buying or selling? I'm done for the day. The day is even coming to an end. In the next 54 minutes, the day will end. Okay, the day will end. I think there is an app, PDDR block over there, other block that has been respected. Yeah, but look at that bearish engulfing. Don't joke with it. There is a retested other block over there. Okay, I always tell you people, when you come into the market, trade what you see, not what somebody tells you. Okay, so per what I am seeing, the market will still test 2170, 2169, possibly 2162. If it breaks that one, then we are coming all the way to 2155. Okay, so watch out and see how it's going to happen tomorrow. All right, and like I said, tomorrow when I come into the market, I'm only looking for $89. That's all I need tomorrow. So I'm not going to stress myself much. Okay, I trade just 1% a week on the 100k. So yesterday I made 550, and today I made 380 or so. So I only need $89 to hit my target for the week. These days I don't really stress myself, and the 1% a week is super good. Okay, it's super good. So if you want to use it to help you, from your observations, will this market sell? Exactly, it will still sell off a little, but like I said on the previous chart, it has to break some levels. Oh yeah, 1% a whole week, the whole week, bro, the whole week on 100k, which is $1,000. So $1,000 a week, the whole week I need just $1,000. Okay, the whole week I need $1,000, and that's all. So tomorrow I'm just coming to look for $89, and I'll hit my $1,000 target, and I'm done for the week. I'm finding difficulty to join the Telegram. Leave a message, okay? Or let me also give you my WhatsApp number if you want to WhatsApp me. You can WhatsApp me here. Oh. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp number. If you want to reach out to me and you are finding it difficult, you can WhatsApp me, okay? But this is our problem. We the beginners, we too like yeah, it's too small for you, right? It's too small for you, I know. But if you try to make more profits, you see the market will mess your life. Good management. Oh yeah, bro, I don't really stress myself these days. I don't really stress the PiP must pay Russo. Exactly. What's the prediction on market now? The market is closing, so no prediction, bro. Can you do analysis on AUD USD? Let's look at AUD USD. So those of you who wants to get me on WhatsApp, that's my WhatsApp number, okay? You can WhatsApp me. If it's me, I would trade 99 a week. Okay, so let me ask you, since you've been trading 99% a week, how much do you have now? That's the biggest question. So don't stress yourself too much, okay? Don't stress yourself. The market has been there even before you were born, and it will still exist after you are gone. AUD USD, AUD USD all forex.com. For AUD USD, this is what is happening. First of all, let me look at daily time frame. Okay, so if you look at daily time frame, there is something right here. Can you guys see the trend line? Yeah, it's clear. So on daily time frame, you can see that that's a beautiful trend line which has respected current market. And at the same time, there is a level right here which has been broken. Okay, look at that. This level which broke to the downside and now has broken to the upside after testing the trend line. So today's candle is a retest to the zone that got broken. This zone that got broken. Okay, my broker is also on the bio. Be these ways. You can check, go to the link tree, you will see it. Okay, yeah, so look at that. That's a retest candle. So tomorrow, if this breakout is not fake, we should expect AUD USD pushing to the upside. Okay, now come to H4. When you come to H4, you can see that there was a double bottom formation right here. Okay, so H4, so this is the H4 zone. Okay, this is the H4 zone, and I will advise you wait. The market may still test that zone, looking at how strong this bearish candle is. But remember, it is still a retest candle, so it will surely come to this zone, testing the trend line, and that will give you another touch, a fourth touch. This is the first touch, second touch, third touch. So the market may come for a fourth touch. And like I said, if you are in the buy, you can still hold, because buy might hold according to what I told you on daily time frame. Okay, so if it comes back here and this breakout isn't fake, it will still keep pushing up. But looking at how strong this bearish candle is, it will still come to the zone for that one, surely. it will come. Okay, maybe it will drop all the way here and give you a wick and push up again. Okay, it will come there, give you a wick and push up again. So watch out for that. All right, so when you go to H1, you see there is another block right here. So the market may test the other block. So wait for the market to drop. If you are still not in the buys yet, wait for the market to come back into this zone, then you look for opportunity and buy. Okay, exactly, it's coming for the fourth touch. Can I use this your analysis in Binance futures? I have not traded Binance futures, but I'm sure you can. I don't know, but maybe. People need to know where they are coming from. 9 to 5. 1 a week is good. Yes, but yet they still want to make more and they end up losing all their money. If you haven't joined the Telegram community, go to the bio. You click on the link tree, scroll down, you will see PiP Hunter community. That is the Telegram channel. Then you join. Okay, US oil. Okay, so if you look at, you guys have stopped liking on. Okay, so look at this US oil. You can see that after the strong push to the upside, there was a reversal, and now see a strong bearish candle closing below the bullish engulfing, right? So the next zone for oil is here. If you are in the sell, keep holding the sell. Okay, if you are in the sell, keep holding, because it may come all the way here. Hey, what pair is this? US oil. Then why am I seeing 8137.0? What is that? Ah, really? You see, there is difference. Wow, what's happening? Okay, so if you look at H4, you can see for sure that this level has been broken to the downside. Okay, it has broken this structure and now it's dropping. So the next zone is right here, but let me see, maybe we can draw a trend line. Yeah, okay, yeah, so that's a nice trend line, H4. Okay, a nice trend line. And you see there is also a zone right here. So wait for the market to test this zone and probably you can push it higher. Okay, yeah, so for US oil, that is what you can wait or you expect. If it gets to that zone, can we buy AED? For AED CP, I don't even know. Me, I don't trade those. I don't trade currencies at all. Let me check AED fundamental. CPI expecting positive. Yeah, so if it comes out positive, you can buy. Okay, you can buy if it comes out positive. So if you want to reach out to me on WhatsApp, that's my WhatsApp number right here. You can reach out. So US oil expected to drop all the way to this zone. Okay, Which other pair? Gold, I have already done gold. Euro JPY. Even my battery is 21%. Left to 21%. Euro JPY. Euro JPY H4. You see what is happening? It has broken that structure to the downside. So potentially AUDJPY sells. Okay, AUDJPY sells. We have this. Now, but let me check a daily time frame first. Let me check daily. According to daily time frame, there is also a breakout, daily breakout. So guys, wait, don't sell Euro JPY on daily. You can see that that's a nice breakout. Okay, and now you see it has retested. It has done what? Retested. So don't be in a hurry to buy or sell. Don't be in a hurry to sell. Don't be in a hurry to sell, because it might mess you up. Because look at, so if a candle closes above 164.15, if today's candle closes above that level, the market will still push up. So let's go and look at H4 again. So if you look at H4, if this particular candle, okay, if the current candle closes above 164.5, the market will still push up. Okay, according to what is happening in daily. That is why it is important to know what is happening. If it doesn't closes above it, the market may come back here. Okay, the market may come back here, and if it does, go aggressive on the buy. Okay, if it comes back here, go aggressive on the buys. All right, that's it. I see fair value gap. Okay, no currency pairs. Yeah, I don't trade currency, bro. I trade only gold. Change of structure. Exactly. US 30. Let me look at US 30, and that will be the last thing to do. Then we go to sleep. Okay, so US, whoa, when was that? Amazing. I was waiting in the morning, waiting for it to test this level so I will buy. I was waiting here, and it never came until I'm done for the day, and now it has come nicely, and look at it, it's pushing up. Wow. Okay, so what is happening with, let me check H4. So if you look at H4, you can see that there has been a break of structure. Okay, there's a nice break of structure, and the market is yet to come here. And you see that when it reached this level, it has been consolidating, right? Yeah, so we should expect a breakout from this consolidation, possibly to test the breakout for another push to the upside. Okay, for another push to the upside. So now it is just doing nothing but consolidating. As you can see inside that zone, it is just consolidating. But as it is consolidating, it's still more. There is not some easy pips. It's more. It's many. It's many. So you can still take advantage. But you've missed it already. In the morning, I was waiting here. I was waiting for it here, but it couldn't. It came in the evening when I'm done for the day. So tomorrow, looking at how the candles are, if a candle closes above here, okay, if a candle closes above here, the market will push up without testing this level. If it doesn't, it will surely come here and test this level before it pushes up. Okay, can you measure the pips? Honestly speaking, I don't know how to calculate the US30 pips. Honestly, it's really difficult for me. I don't know how to. 1, 4, 1, 2. I don't know how many pips is that. I don't know, bro. Honestly, I don't know how to unless I check. DXY, BTC, nice one. DXY, BTC. Okay, people are asking for DXY. Let me do DXY first. If you want to reach out to me on WhatsApp, this is my WhatsApp number, so you can write it real quick or type it so that you can chat me there. Okay, so guys, I'm going to do the last analysis. My battery is low. I have only 18%. Okay, so I'll be leaving live anytime soon. DXY. Okay, so this was the support it tested in the morning or the afternoon. I see. What app should I download to trade? Download MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Trade Locker, C Trader. But C Trader, you get it from a broker. You not get it for free. Like, you're not going to get it online just like that. Okay. If you haven't followed me, you can follow me. If you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. When you go to the bio, scroll down and click on the PiP Hunter community. That is the Telegram. All right. So if you look at DXY, you can see that this was a breakout level. Okay. You see a nice breakout, breaking resistance. And this morning there has been a pullback. So DXY flies. Okay. DXY flies, as you can see. DXY flies as a broken structure, retested, and is still closing bearish. It's still closing bullish. We have 2 hours 34 minutes for this candle to close, so watch out and see how it's going to close. And if you look at H4, you can see that after it tested the breakout, we have a nice morning star on the support. A nice morning star. So likely or possibly a new high will be taken. Okay, a new high will be made on DXY. All right, so the one who asked for you DXY, that is it. Okay, that is it. What last pair? Please, the previous videos, can I get them? Bro, I'll try. Okay, I will have to download them and send it. I will try. Okay, so watch out. So guys, any other BTC, that will be the last. BTC USD on Binance. BTC, for me, BTC is still bullish, even though okay, today, wow. Whew. Okay, so if you ask me, that's what I see. And now we still have another zone right here. So if this current candle, which closes in the next 3 hours 33 minutes, closes bearish, expect BTC at 67k. Okay, expect BTC at 67k. If that candle closes bearish, it will keep falling down. But if it closes bullish above 70k, $230, then it will still fly, creating a new high at 74k. Okay, so that is what I see. Just watch out, guys. I'm tired. I have 16% battery. Let me go and sleep. Okay, Nasdaq, that will be the last one. So BTC, is it clear for you now? Keep doing your good work. I really appreciate. You're welcome. So for BTC, now buying is risky, selling is risky. Okay, buying is risky, selling is risky. Take note of that. Nasdaq. here. Whoa, Nasdaq 2 came. It came. What the fuck? It came, bro. It did. Was it news? Euro USD, I'm sorry, my battery is even dying. I'm not sure I can go ahead, okay? Because after a class, I'm still doing analysis and all that. You see, I need to rest. So for Nasdaq, that is what I see. Okay, that is what I see, and you see that it has tested nicely and it's trying to push. So potentially it may reach this level, okay, and drop again. Potentially it may reach that level and drops. That is H1, okay, that's H1. So that is what I see. Now if you want to buy, you've missed it, because I think 15 minutes has given exactly. Okay, so you can still buy. Okay, you can still buy all the way to $18,321, that level, like here. Okay, oh fuck me, what's that? I am not buying because I'm done for the day, but this is just 1:1 or something, which I don't really recommend. Okay, this kind of what do you call it, risk to reward, I don't really advise you taking this kind of trade. Okay, if it was me, I would have catch a sniper entry, because I had a buy limit right there, which I closed it. So I would have gotten a sniper entry right here, and my stop loss would just be below here. Okay, but since you've missed it, if you want, you can enter. If you want, you can just close. Okay, do you think NAS 100 is going to where? What level will it drop? It may drop when once reaches 18,320 to 340. Those levels, it may drop again. Okay, it may drop again from there. What's the BTC zone for the sell and buy? Oh, where is it? I've lost it, bro. I've lost it. Okay, BTC USD. Oh, there's USDT. I think it's the same thing. For a buy, if you want to buy BTC, you should wait for 67K. Okay, this level here is where you should wait for BTC buy. And for a sell, wait for this H4 candle to close. If it closes bearish, then you can sell all the way to 67K. Okay, you can check that. If it doesn't do any of this, stay away. Gold, I told you, gold is coming all the way to 2170, 2169. If it breaks that level, it will drop all the way to 2155. If it doesn't, if you respect the 2170 zone, then it will push up again. If it doesn't, it will stop, it will sell down. Okay, I'm sorry guys, check gold. I have already checked. Okay, if you want to reach out to me on WhatsApp, that's my WhatsApp number. And guys, I have to go, my battery is just 13%. Okay, so I have to go charge. Tomorrow 6 p.m. Ghana time, we are continuing and we are having support and resistance. Okay, if you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. You can join. Okay, and if you are joining, when you click on the pro bio, you scroll down and the PiP Hunter community is the Telegram channel. Okay, PiP Hunter community, that's the Telegram channel. Is it rising? What is rising, bro? I don't get it. What is rising? Should I buy or sell? Go and sleep. Tomorrow, join the Telegram community. I will give you guys free signals. Okay, I provide free signals on Telegram. So join Telegram at this time. Just go and rest. Okay. Market is about to close in 27 minutes or so. So just go and rest. Tomorrow we shall trade again. Okay. So guys, thank you all. As for go and sleep, oh yeah, I'm going to sleep too. I'm going to sleep. So guys, thank you all for coming. Tomorrow when you come, you like, as the lesson is ongoing, you like, you share, you gift, and so on. Okay, if you haven't joined the community, do so now before I end the live. If you want to talk to me and you are finding it difficult, you can leave a message on TikTok. You can also, that's my WhatsApp number there. You can message me. Okay, you can message me on Instagram. You can message me anywhere. So guys, good night, good night, good night. Where is your Telegram? Go to the bio, you will find it. Okay, click on the bio, you see link tree. Click on the link tree, then you scroll down, PiP Hunter community. That is the Telegram channel. Okay, don't miss the signals. If you guys have been seeing anyone here who is on Telegram, you see we've been catching some good pips. Today we catch like 200 and something. Okay, yesterday, this week has been good. Last week was good. These days I hardly hit SL. I hardly hit SL. I'm sure you guys can testify. Yeah, there were days which were bad for me, but these days I'm in my good days. So you guys should also enjoy from it as well. All right. So guys, thank you all. I will see you tomorrow. I have just 10% battery left. So have a good night and I will see you tomorrow. If you want to reach out to me, like I said, you can leave a message on TikTok or you can just go to Telegram. This is also my WhatsApp number where you can message me as well. So have a good evening, have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. I'm tired. Charlie, it's not easy. I'm tired. Okay.